Welcome to our channel. Today we're going step by step through how to sign up for AT&T low-income internet quickly and easily. Step 1. Check eligibility. AT&T offers low-income internet through the Access from AT&T program. Eligibility is usually based on participation in programs like SNAP, SSI, or if your household meets specific income limits. Confirm your qualifications on the AT&T Access page. Step 2. Gather required documents. Have proof of participation or income ready. This can include benefit letters, award notices, or official documents showing your household income. Step 3. Start the application online. Go to the Access from AT&T application page and click Apply Now. Create an account or sign in, then fill out the form with your personal information, address, and eligibility details. Step 4. Upload verification. Submit the documents you gathered. AT&T will review them to confirm your eligibility. Make sure the images or PDFs are clear and readable. Step 5. Choose your plan. Once approved, AT&T will show you the available low-cost internet plans in your area. Select the one that fits your household's needs. Step 6. Schedule installation or equipment delivery. AT&T will guide you through setting up your service. Depending on your address, you may schedule a technician visit or receive a self-install kit. Step 7. Activate and start using your service. Follow the activation instructions, connect your devices, and you're ready to go with affordable internet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.